Assalamualaikum grade 4. Hopefully you are all fine. So today we are going to start our 17th lecture. So in the previous lectures we have studied the activities that the humans are performing and are polluting their natural habitat. So let's study one of them. So making water polluted. So how humans are polluting their water. So people use fresh water for many purposes, as we drink water and we use them for different purposes in our homes, for washing clothes, for washing dishes. So these are the different functions. For what purpose we use fresh water. So people do not care about the disposal of that water. So most of the dirty water from homes, factories and farms ends up in rivers and lakes. So when we use this water, we dispose them as we use them polluted water into the rivers and canals, and we destroy the fresh reserves of water. हम पानी को as such use करते हैं और ऐसे ही उन्हें दरियाओं और कैनाल्स में फेंक देते हैं. So जिसकी वजह से water जो है वो pollute हो जाता है. This is making water polluted. So after observing these all human activities that are polluting environment, that are polluting air, water and soil, so many campaigns have been started to preserve habitat. So for this purpose, many campaigns have been started by many different people to conserve habitat, to save natural habitat. So what are these measures to make the world a better place? So some of the measures they have started to save nature and to save forest. So let's study them one by one. So these campaigns include planting trees, creating an awareness of how air and water pollution is harmful to life. So इसको natural environment को save करने के लिए अब लोगों को अवेयर किया जा रहा है कि किस तरह वाटर और एयर पोल्यूशन जो है वो हार्मफुल टू लाइफ है, जिंदगी के लिए खतरनाक है. So more trees are planted to save nature. So many countries are working to stop the expansion of cities. Cities को बढ़ने से रोकने के लिए they have introduced communities. So how communities are grown? They have started to construction of some buildings that looked beautiful and can accommodate more people in less space. So the buildings like this they have constructed which can accommodate more people, and this will need more space and accommodate more people. So in this way the harmful effects of the in this way more space can be preserved and nature can be preserved and people will be accommodated in less space. So in this way it helps to reduce deforestation and natural beauty. So let's see how deforestation can be prevented. So one of the main cause of deforestation is rapid growth of cities. So when there is more population, people will need more space to live. So that's why they move to cities and will clear forest. So this will lead to deforestation. So planting trees along roads and streets can decrease the effects of deforestation by making air fresh and reducing the effects of global warming. So अब देखना है कि किस तरह हम एयर को पोल्यूट होने से बचा सकते हैं. So fresh air was polluting due to the human activities, due to deforestation, because if there are less trees there will be no oxygen to live, to breathe. That's why we should grow trees along the roads so that people can take fresh air and it will reduce global warming. So it's your homework time. Now your home task is to write the answer of this question. Which things make the water polluted? You will answer the things that are polluting water. So what are these things? You will find out the answer from this topic and write the answer on your notebooks and will learn it. Question number 2 is write some measures to make the world a better place. So what the campaigns are started about, you will write the names of those measures with which we can save this habitat and our environment. So this is our today's lecture. Hope you understand it. So take care and Allah Hafiz.